If you're buying Michelin or Goodyear without comparing cost per mile, you're probably overpaying, not by $20, but by hundreds. Some mid-tier tires are delivering 70 to 90,000 miles while costing 30% less upfront, with the same safety ratings and wet braking. That difference can mean an entire extra set of tires over the life of your vehicle. Yet almost nobody at the tire counter explains it. Today we're breaking down 13 tire brands that beat Michelin and Goodyear on value, mileage, or both, using real treadwear warranties, independent testing, and real-world driver data. Some are owned by premium manufacturers. Others quietly come factory-installed on luxury cars. And the #1 brand on this list outsells Michelin in Europe, while most American drivers barely consider it. So stick around, because the #1 spot surprises even experienced mechanics. Let's get into it. Brand 13, General Tire. General Tire is owned by Continental. That matters because when drivers argue Continental versus Michelin, many don't realize Continental also builds mid-tier brands using the same engineering infrastructure. Take the General Altimax RT43, one of the most overlooked all-season touring tires. The average price is about $95 per tire. Compare that with the Michelin Defender, which often costs $145 or more. That's roughly $200 saved on a set. The Altimax carries around a 60 to 65,000 mile treadwear warranty, while the Michelin Defender sits closer to 80,000, depending on model. But once you calculate cost per mile, the difference becomes much smaller than people expect, except the Michelin still costs $200 more upfront. For commuters and family sedans, General quietly delivers premium-level durability without premium pricing. Brand 12, Falken. Falken is a Japanese brand owned by Sumitomo Rubber. For years, it flew under the radar in the US, but today it's producing some of the longest-lasting tires in the mid-tier segment. Take the Falken Sincera SN250A/S. Average price is about $110 per tire. Compare that to something like the Goodyear Assurance Max Life at roughly $160. That's around $200 saved on a set. The Falken carries an 80,000-mile treadwear warranty, putting it directly in competition with premium touring tires. Falken also shines with trucks and SUVs. Their Wild Peak lineup has become one of the most respected options for drivers searching for durable truck and SUV tires that can handle snow, gravel roads, and long highway miles without chewing through tread. Brand 11, Hankook. Hankook isn't just a value brand, it's an OEM supplier for companies like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, and Porsche. That means vehicles costing $80,000 often leave the factory riding on Hankook tires. Yet in the replacement market, Hankook prices sit far below Michelin. Take the Hankook Kinergy ST. The average price is about $100 per tire. Compare that with the Michelin Defender at roughly $155. That's about $220 saved on a set. The Kinergy carries a 70,000-mile warranty and performs extremely close to Michelin in wet braking, ride comfort, and road noise. So when drivers compare Hankook versus Michelin, the question becomes simple. Do you want the logo or the value? And if you think that price difference is surprising, wait until you see which brand takes the #1 spot on this list, because it beats Michelin in a way most drivers never expect. Brand 10, Cooper. Cooper Tire has been manufacturing in America since 1914, but what keeps drivers coming back isn't history, it's mileage. The Cooper CS5 Ultra Touring costs about $105 per tire. Compare that to the Goodyear Assurance, which often lands around $150. That's roughly $180 saved on a set before you even drive the first mile. The Cooper carries an 80,000-mile tread life warranty, placing it among the longest-lasting touring tires available in its category. For drivers who commute long distances or rack up highway miles every year, that kind of tread life matters. Tires that wear evenly over time can delay replacement by an entire year or more. Independent testing has also ranked Cooper surprisingly high for wet traction and ride comfort. Two areas many drivers assume only premium brands dominate. And Cooper isn't just known for commuter cars. Their Discoverer lineup has become extremely popular with drivers looking for dependable SUV and truck tires that can handle towing loads, heavy rain, gravel roads, and long highway drives without shredding tread early. Many mechanics recommend Cooper as one of the smartest value alternatives to premium brands. But if you think Cooper delivers strong value, the next brand has been quietly competing with Michelin in durability for years. Brand 9, Yokohama. Most drivers recognize Yokohama from racing, but what surprises people is how long their everyday tires actually last. The Yokohama Avid Ascend GT costs around $115 per tire. Compare that with the Michelin Defender at roughly $160. That's about $180 saved on a set. The Avid Ascend carries an 85,000-mile tread wear warranty, one of the longest in the touring category. In several independent comparisons, Yokohama has matched or exceeded Michelin in projected mileage. That's impressive considering the price difference. But Yokohama's strength isn't just mileage. Their rubber compounds are designed to stay stable under heat and highway speeds, which helps prevent the uneven wear patterns that shorten the life of many tires. Drivers often report smooth highway performance even deep into the tire's lifespan. Yokohama also produces highly respected SUV and crossover tires under their Geolandar lineup. For drivers looking for strong wet traction and reliable all-season performance, these are often ranked among the best SUV tires available outside the premium price range. And if Yokohama already sounds like a smart buy, the next brand proves that long tread life doesn't always require a big name. Brand 8, Sumitomo. Sumitomo is one of Japan's oldest engineering companies, with roots going back centuries. Their tire division focuses heavily on something many manufacturers struggle with, even tread wear over time. The Sumitomo HTRA/S typically costs around $95 per tire. Compare that with premium touring tires like the Michelin Defender or Goodyear Assurance at $150 or more. That's over $200 saved on a set. Many drivers report 60 to 70,000 miles of real-world tread life, which makes Sumitomo one of the strongest cost-per-mile values in the touring category. The company uses rigid tread block designs that maintain structural stability even as the tire ages. That helps prevent the feathering and uneven wear that often forces early replacement. In simple terms, Sumitomo focuses on building tires that wear slowly and predictably. For everyday drivers who care more about durability than brand recognition, that formula works extremely well. But the next brand brings something even stronger to the table: global engineering power. Number 7, Firestone. Firestone operates under Bridgestone, one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world. That means Firestone benefits from the same engineering resources, testing facilities, and manufacturing technology used across Bridgestone's lineup. Take the Firestone Weather Grip. The average price is about $115 per tire. Compare that with the Michelin Cross Climate 2 at roughly $180. That's about $260 saved on a set. The Weather Grip is also 3-peak mountain snowflake rated, meaning it's certified for severe winter conditions while still behaving like an all-season tire during normal driving. For drivers who deal with rain, cold temperatures, or occasional snow, that flexibility can eliminate the need for separate winter tires. Firestone's destination lineup is also extremely popular among drivers searching for reliable SUV and truck tires. These tires are built to handle towing, dirt roads, and long highway miles without excessive tread loss. That durability is why Firestone remains one of the most trusted brands for everyday American driving. But the next brand on this list often surprises drivers even more. Brand 6, Nexen. Nexen surprises many drivers because it's an OEM supplier for brands like Porsche, Volkswagen, Hyundai, and Kia. That means many vehicles leave the factory riding on Nexen tires before owners ever replace them. The Nexen in price. AH8 costs roughly $85 to $90 per tire. Compare that with the Michelin Defender around $150. That's roughly $240 saved on a set. Despite the lower price, the Nexen carries a 70,000-mile warranty and performs extremely well for commuting, highway driving, and wet conditions. The company has also invested heavily in advanced tire design, including silica-based compounds that improve durability while maintaining grip. For drivers focused on maximizing tire tread life without paying premium prices, Nexen has become one of the smartest alternatives in the market. But if Nexen already seems impressive, the next brand has built a cult following among truck owners. Brand 5, Toyo. Toyo has built a reputation for extremely durable tires. Their compounds are tested in brutal racing environments like the Baja 1000, where tires face heat, rocks, and thousands of miles of punishment. That same durability carries over into everyday driving. The Toyo Versado Noir costs around $110 per tire. Compare that with the Goodyear Assurance around $150. That's roughly $180 saved on a set. Truck owners especially respect Toyo's open country lineup. These tires are widely considered some of the most durable all-terrain tires available. Drivers often report 50 to 60,000 miles of life even when driving on gravel roads, towing loads, or exploring off-road trails. That combination of durability and predictable wear is why Toyo has earned such a strong reputation among truck and SUV owners. But the next brand introduces something even more interesting. Brand 4, BFGoodrich. Here's something many drivers don't realize. BFGoodrich is owned by Michelin. That means much of the research and compound technology behind Michelin tires also influences BFGoodrich designs. The BFGoodrich Advantage T/A Sport costs about $120 per tire. Compare that with the Michelin Defender at roughly $165. That's about $180 saved on a set. BFGoodrich really shines in the truck segment. Their all-terrain T/AKO2 is widely considered one of the most respected off-road tires ever produced. Drivers regularly push these tires through rocks, mud, snow, and long highway drives while still seeing 50 to 60,000 miles of life. In other words, BFGoodrich often delivers Michelin-level engineering without the Michelin-level price. Brand 3, Kumho. Kumho is another brand many drivers underestimate, but it's a major OEM supplier for companies like Ford, Hyundai, and Volkswagen. That means millions of vehicles leave the factory riding on Kumho tires every year. The Kumho Solace TA31 costs about $85 per tire. Compare that with the Michelin Defender at roughly $150. That's around $250 saved on a set. Independent testing consistently ranks Kumho high for wet braking and hydroplaning resistance. Many drivers report 65 to 70,000 miles of service life, especially when tires are rotated regularly. That combination of durability and affordability is why Kumho has become a favorite among fleet operators who measure every purchase by cost per mile. Brand 2, GT Radial. GT Radial is produced by GT Tire, one of the largest tire manufacturers in the world. The company sells tires in more than 130 countries and operates research centers across multiple continents. The GT Radial Champiro Touring/S costs about $90 per tire. Compare that with the Michelin Defender or Goodyear Assurance at $150 to $165. That's roughly $240 to $280 saved on a set. Despite the lower price, many GT Radial touring tires deliver 60 to 70,000 miles of service life with solid wet traction and predictable handling. But the number one brand on this list goes even further. Brand 1, Continental. Continental is the largest tire manufacturer in Europe and a major OEM supplier for Mercedes, BMW, Audi, Porsche, and Volkswagen. When drivers compare Continental versus Michelin, the numbers often surprise them. The Continental True Contact Tour costs about $125 per tire. Compare that with the Michelin Defender, which frequently costs $160 or more. That's roughly $160 to $200 saved on a set. Independent testing has shown the True Contact delivering up to 90,000 miles of tread life compared with the Defender's typical 80,000-mile warranty. Continental also invests heavily in advanced tire technology, including silica-rich compounds and noise-reducing designs that improve grip, durability, and ride comfort. When you combine price, tread life, and real-world performance, Continental quietly becomes one of the smartest tire purchases a driver can make. And once you start comparing tires this way, paying extra for the badge starts making a lot less sense. Most drivers never realize how much money they're losing simply by buying the name instead of the tire. Once you start comparing tread life, cost per mile, and real-world performance, the smartest choices become obvious. Subscribe to Carsplainer for honest car advice, hidden maintenance truths, and money-saving tips every driver should know. Because the more you understand how your car actually works, the harder it becomes for the industry to overcharge you.